It's windy out.
Nice parking job.
Hey everyone, we are eating out today. We know we talk a lot about cooking at home and not eating out as much, which we don't. The majority of the time we do cook at home, but without experiencing eating out, you can't experience new flavors that you can incorporate at home. So today we're eating at a Vietnamese restaurant, and the flavors that they have in Vietnamese cooking is just amazing. I can't always get the same quality and flavors at home, and coming out to eat Vietnamese food is one of our favorite things to do. In a previous video, we mentioned that we can feed our family of 4 for under $50 when we go to eat out. A few of our viewers questioned how is it possible to feed a family of 4 for less than $50 if we weren't going out to eat fast food. If you're fine dining, for sure you're not going to feed a family of 4 for $50. But we live in a city where we have so many restaurants to choose from, and a lot of them are ethnic, and we are very able to feed our family a variety of different dishes, but you have to be willing to give it a try. Oh my goodness, whoa. Noah, that squid.
So often we gravitate towards the ethnic choices, as Flo mentioned before, and the ethnic choices that we make are often regionally based. So for instance, in Vancouver, there is a plethora of Chinese and Korean, just a lot of Asian choices. And other places in North America, say California, is really rich in the Mexican choices. So when we lived in San Francisco, or when we visit California, we gorge on Mexican food because there's so much choice. And so when there's a lot of choice, it means there's a lot of competition, and the prices are great, and the flavors are going to be good and varied. So whether we're in town or on the road in another place, we live in a day where you can do all this intel before you even get to the restaurant and look at the menu. We have Google reviews, we have Yelp and all the other platforms that have these crowdsourced user reviews, and all these menus that are on the restaurant's websites. So you can check out what you may like and the prices before you even get there and make your decision, so you can make an informed decision and know what you like and know what others recommend. Bye. Thank you.
When you go out to eat, you don't have to each order an appetizer. We often order just enough so that we would finish the meal without having to take home leftovers. We also prefer to eat family style so that we can share a little bit of everything and we don't all have to eat one particular thing. We also order different things so that we can share. Unless, of course, it's something that we all really, really enjoy, then pretty much we have to each order our own.
That happens sometimes, guys. Actually, more than I care to admit.
When we eat out, we prefer not to order drinks, and that's because it can add up very quickly. At this particular restaurant, what they're known for are, say, their avocado shake or a Vietnamese coffee, which can range anywhere from $5 and up. Well, if we each order a drink, that's an extra $20 on top of your bill. And if you're ordering alcohol, that will be extra taxation. I don't know if it's the case where you are, but here in BC, we get taxed if we're going to order alcohol out.
And when we can, which is pretty easy in Vancouver, is we go to mom and pop shops, those indies that are trying to make it on their own, and they have great flavors. We definitely try to stay away from the chains if we can help it, because there's great flavors and great recipes to try at these independent restaurants. Oh, my jacket's caught. Hold on a second.
Well done, dude.
Yeah.
Well, we really hope that you enjoyed our take on eating out inexpensively, and we hope that it would inspire you to go out and try something new. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.